Okay, check this out. This website, a designer would charge you like 3 grand for this. And I made it with 3 AI tools, no code, nothing. I'll walk you through the whole thing. Oh, and real quick before we get into it, if you're watching this going, honestly, I just want one of this. I don't want to build it myself. Hey, I got you. This is literally what I do. I build this for people. And right now you can grab a free call with me. It's down in the description. I promise we just hop on and chat about what your site could look like. Cool? Cool. Let's get into it. So the first thing which I want you to do is to get some inspiration here on Pinterest.com. You can just search here for creature or something and you will get a ton of the inspiration for the images here. And for this video, I picked this one right here. This is the creature I would pick. So right now let's click here on save image as, and once you have it on your computer, of course it won't be in 16:9 aspect ratio. So let's go here to the Google AI Studio, and here this is the image I uploaded, and this is the prompt I gave here to Nano Banana. As you can see, Gemini 2.5 flash image, and then here it generated this thing in perfect 16:9 aspect ratio. Of course it has this watermark, but right now I will show you how to pretty much remove it as well. Right now you will have to open this image in your image editor. Here I picked Affinity Photo 2, and then here you can see that it has some smudges on the left. So let's just mark it like this, go to edit, and here you will have to put in paint, so you can see that there are no smudges here anymore. And then you will go here to the logo of the Google AI Studio or Gemini, and here make sure that you mark it like this, go to edit and go here with the in paint. Make sure that you have here background of course selected, go edit and then in paint, and voila, it looks perfect right now. Here's one thing which you can also do. Go here to the filters, then go here to colors and select here auto levels, and this will make the image correct colors. But if you, for example, don't like the colors this AI created, you can go here, click on this thing and make sure that you put here the vibrance to the max. Maybe also increase the saturation slightly, maybe to, let's say, 17. Clarity, I will leave it as is, or let's put it here to -100. And then for the brightness, you can put it here somewhere like this. Click on develop and then go here to file, go to export and export this image to your computer. Now, once you have this image on your computer, you will then go here to the next tool. And this one is called Google Flow. And you can see what it generated for me. I think this is a perfect video for this website we're going to create. And by the way, if you want me to build you a website, check out the first link down below and schedule an appointment. Now, this is pretty much the flow. So let's go here to Google Flow and then click here on new project. Now, what you want to do here, click on plus and make sure that you click here on upload media and select the image Google AI Studio generated for you. So here it is. Then click on add to prompt. And then here for the video prompt, I went to ChatGPT and this is the prompt it gave me. So video prompt, create a cinematic high-end looped creature video designed specifically for use as an interactive web hero asset. The video must feature that provide a creature as the central subject, preserved exactly in design and identity. And pretty much you can just copy it like this. So simple as that. Then go back here to Google Flow, paste this inside and here click on send. But before you click on send, make sure that you select here Omni Flash. This is the best video model from Google, and then click on save and then click on here the arrow. But remember, Google Flow, I think you get a few of the credits completely for free, but then later you will have to pay for the credits. So make sure that you are conservative about what you're actually generating and that you have pretty much here your input image as well as your prompt. And then here you could get something like this from this Google AI video generator. So let me just show you the video here. And then here on my account, you can see that I still have 15 Google Flow credits and that the credits actually do refresh daily. So keep in mind that you can pretty much, I think, generate 2 videos per day. And now let's take a look here at the video it generated. And I think it's actually pretty cool. So this is the video it generated. And I think it looks absolutely perfect. Now, once you have the AI generated video, you also want to install your IDE of choice. Here, I picked Anti-Gravity IDE from Google. Why? Because it has this Gemini 3.5 Flash built in already. And here I also have a folder, Animated Website version 2. Now, one thing which I would also recommend for you guys is to install a few of the skills for your website generation. Now, let me also ask here Gemini which of the skills I have installed. By the way, if you guys want me to build build you a website, check out the first link down below and schedule a free appointment. We will chat about how your website should look like and how to pretty much build it. We have GSAP animation suite, we have UI UX styling and brand and the assets. So make sure that you screenshot this and paste in Google and install all of these skills to your computer. Now, once you have all of these skills installed on your computer, you want to go back here to your web browser and then make sure that you go here to Mux. Now, on this website, you can host your video completely for free, and then you will just simply paste a video here inside your anti-gravity. So here on top, click on create a new asset, click here on upload a local file, and then here I will upload this image of the creature. We have the title, creator ID. Let's click on next. Video quality, let's go with, I think, the basic one. Then let's click on start upload, and you can see here that it's right now doing its thing. So once you have the video here, you will also get a link here. So make sure that you go here, playback and thumbnails. And this is pretty much the link, I think, or you can go here and have the link right here. So you can copy it and then paste it inside here, just like this. And this is what it's going to look like pretty much. Perfect video here. And now here on Claude, I have a prompt for this website. So you can see prompt start, build a single page scroll driven marketing website with a 3D feeling animated creature as the centerpiece. And then here you have a few of the things which I would like to remove from the prompt. So first of all, let's just copy the prompt here, and then prompt end is right here. So let's just copy it like this. Go to anti-gravity, and then here I will paste it inside like this. Let's go here on top, and then here I will just remove this thing here. So like this, and then I will replace it here with a pink creature. And then also here, if you want, you can also test the MP4 file locally. So make sure that you import the image and also the video here inside your folder or project folder. Pretty much this is the prompt. Let's click here on the send here on the arrow, and let's see what Gemini 3.5 Flash will generate. I hope it will actually one-shot the website here and it will be some kind of the impressive website. So just wait for a few seconds here and let's see later the result. And by the way, guys, if you want me to build you a website, check out the first link down below in the video description. Schedule a free appointment, and then we will discuss how I can pretty much here build you a website. So make sure that you do so by clicking the first link down below. Now let's click here on proceed button. You can see implementation plan, and yeah, you can see that it's quite comprehensive. It has a lot of the details, pretty much what it will implement. So let's click on submit here to start with the work. We have the brand and the identity. We have the design system as well. UI, UX, every single thing here pretty much was generated here with Gemini 3.5 Flash. And then we have also technical implementation with the GSAP setup. So pretty much we will have some really cool effects here on the website. And then we have the artifacts as well and proposed changes as well. So let's just here click submit here in the bottom right corner a few of the times. And then hopefully we'll get the end result. And in this case, some really cool website. And now it finished generating the website. So let's take a look at it. So we have the background here, which is the video. We have the video playing here, but I don't know why it's lagging. Most likely because the video doesn't have so much frame rate. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. We have this navigation bar, which has this really cool translucent effect. Then we have here the rest of the website, the origin, classified biometrics, and then we have the other stuff as well. Overall, I think it looks okay, but here if you click on connect, it will take you here to this, and overall the video here, I think it could be improved. So yeah, this is pretty much how you guys can build AI websites, which look damn pretty good. So I will put a link for every tool I mentioned in the video description down below, and if you haven't already, make sure that you book an appointment down below with me if you want me to build you a website. So it's free, and make sure to click the first link down below. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.